Example number 1. X equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. X dot append of 4. Check the print of X. You will get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at here. From here up to here, this list has been named with a variable which is X. X is the variable name. It is the identifier. It is a placeholder which holds this information from here up to here. It is a list with elements 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, I want to append 4. I want to add one more element to this list. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the append function, x.append, x.append of 4. Whatever value you want to put it there, you just plug in here. If you want to put 4, 4 will be added. If you want to put 5, 5 will be added. If you want to put 6, 6 will be added. Then check the print of X. Call the X variable with the print function. The final output will be printed here with an extra element which is 4. So before we had only 0, 1, 2, 3 elements. By using the append function, we added an extra element 4 there. Therefore, we got an extra element in the output now. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have total 5 elements now in the output because we added an extra element with the help of the append method.